Hi, and welcome to the channel. Before continuing with today's topic, I need you to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like and leave a comment. On today's video, we shall be covering how to install the generic university software and how to start hacking it. Generic University is an intentionally vulnerable university portal developed by Katie Paxton Fear. I have also left a link to her channel on the description. She has great content, and I would recommend watching her videos. Open your favorite browser and Google the term Generic University Insider, PhD. The first result is most likely the correct link. However, ensure the link is from GIT, ahub, and has the term Generic University as well as Insider PhD. Once you have identified this link, click on it, then wait for the page to load. Once loaded, scroll the page to understand what it states. There is more than one way of using the program, but on this video we shall be covering how to set up Generic University on Docker. If you scroll to the bottom of the current web page, you will notice a link labeled Install Docker. Click on it. Alternatively, you can Google Docker and click on the official website. From here, you can just follow the instructions on how to download and install the program. I will assume that you will be able to download and install Docker since the instructions are stated on their website. However, if you face any challenges, do not hesitate to leave a comment. I will definitely respond and maybe make you a personalized instructional video, if convinced enough. Once you have successfully installed Docker, you are now ready to install Generic University. Navigate back to GitHub, where the Generic University portal is located. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the link labeled Follow the commands from the Docker page. This will open a new page where the instructions for installation have been provided. On the section of the page labeled Run the following commands, a list of commands are written. Copy the commands and paste them on the Docker terminal one by one. This will then automatically set up the Generic University and start it. In order to view Generic University on your browser, visit 127.0.0.1 or system IP you're using. Congratulations, you are now ready to start hacking a university portal. I recommend going back and re-watching my Burp Suite Part 1 video and start familiarizing yourself with the portal. On the next video, we start looking at Generic University and possible ways to hack it. As always, remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. See you on the next one.